Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm super excited to show you a fun and creative tutorial on how to crop photos into various shapes using Canva. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, this tutorial will help you elevate your design game. Let's dive right in. Open Canva and choose the right size. Select your desired photo. Now, we want to crop the photo into a circle avatar. Click on the Elements tab on the left side. On the search bar type, Frame. The frames in Canva will appear below. Click See All to view all frames. Then click on the circle frame. Now drag your photo over the shape. You can adjust the photo by double-click the photo. Then drag the little dot next to the photo to resize it. And there you have it. Using the same method, you can put photos into different shapes. Put your photo into a star or a random shape. You can also put patterns into English letters. Click on the Elements tab on the left side. On the search bar type, Letter Frame. Click See All. Select the letters you want to use. You can even put patterns into Chinese characters. If you want to know where to find the characters, I will leave the link down below. Or you can put a video into any frame. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to get creative. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!